Okay, I'm going to drill this out to put my woodworm screw. It's kind of hollow here, so when I drill this should get rid of the hollow space. And then this will be the top, and that'll be the bottom. And I'm making something that you might call it an incense holder. I'm not sure I like incense holders and wood, but we'll see if I decide on that. Okay, I've made this oak incense holder. I've got this fake incense right there. This one is very short, so you have to get the smaller length of incense. Now the question is you got to watch it. I wouldn't, it's wood. So how far does the incense burn down? You don't want to start a fire. So it's something that needs to be monitored. Even candles, you're supposed to stay in the room with them, not just burn them. So in any case, this is oak. It's got a lot of features in it. The grain, because of what stress was going on with that hole, the wood that was there. It's got some bark on one side. The remnants of this side has no bark. The other side has the remnants of bark where I scraped off most of it but left the bottom layer of it. It's about 6 inches long and 2 inches tall at that highest point there. And then I just drilled a hole in it, so we'll see. It was a nice way to use up a piece of pretty wood, but not functionally. I didn't know what else I could do with it.
If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.